Alright, David Harry here, and in this super quick video I am going to show you why it is that I always put a tempered glass screen protector on every one of my iPads. Okay, so as we will be able to see here, I've got a crack on my iPad here which kind of goes all the way down here. Now I'll try and get a bit closer in and show you what this looks like. Now the thing is, my iPad only fell off the side of a bed, so it didn't even fall like from a great height, and it only fell onto a wooden floor. Yet I've got a crack here which is hopefully only the screen protector. Okay, so I'm just going to lift off this tempered glass screen protector, and hopefully it is only the tempered glass screen protector that's took the damage and not the iPad. Okay, so I'm kind of coming up to where the crack is now on the actual tempered glass. There we go. So as we can clearly see there, that's where the actual crack was, right across that corner there. So if I lift that up there, yeah, look, that's definitely gone right the way across the tempered glass. But like I say, hopefully not the iPad. Okay, so there's the tempered glass off, and voila, my iPad screen is in perfect condition. Okay, so as we could clearly see there then, it was only the tempered glass screen protector that took the damage, and the iPad screen was perfectly okay. Now some of you out there might be thinking, hold on a minute Dave, you said you only dropped the iPad from a short height off the edge of a bed. Well, in that case, maybe the iPad would have been fine anyway without the screen protector on. However, having spent £1,000 on an M4 iPad Pro, I most certainly am not going to run that risk. Anyways, I'm going to dive off now because I need to put another tempered glass screen protector on my M4 iPad Pro, and in this instance I'll be using one by Banks. So if you are into such things, you may want to check out that video as well. Anyways, I'm going to leave it at that and keep this video as short as it has been, because most of my recent videos have been extremely long. There will be Amazon links in the video description below to all the stuff used in this video. If you have liked the video, please do give it a thumbs up. A sub to the channel would be tremendous. I'm David Harry. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and goodbye now.